The metaverse for the metaverse. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space. It includes augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and the internet. Key features: immersive experiences. Users can interact in a 3D environment, enhancing social connections and experiences. Virtual economies. Digital currencies and NFTs enable new forms of commerce and ownership. Interoperability. Different virtual worlds and platforms can connect, allowing seamless transitions and interactions. User-generated content. Users can create, share, and monetize their own content, fostering creativity and innovation. Applications. Gaming. Enhanced multiplayer experiences and virtual worlds. Education. Virtual classrooms and immersive learning environments. Business. Virtual meetings, remote workspaces, and digital twins for simulations. The metaverse is not just a technological advancement,